Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life. And I just want to say from my entire family and the Stamps of Life family, I just want to say Merry, Merry Christmas. Christmas is a very, very special time for our family and our Stamps of Life family because it's Christmas time and it's the birth of baby Jesus. We're teaching our babies. We just bought them a little Fisher-Price manger set with the little baby and Mary and Joseph and the three wise men, and we're teaching them. But you know what? It's just such a special, special time. I know we love to give each other gifts for Christmas and spend time with our friends and our family, which is awesome. But we always need to remember that it's the birth of our Savior Jesus that we're really, really celebrating. It's really exciting because my sister-in-law Marcella always brings a birthday cake for Jesus for Christmas. And it's just so wonderful because you know what? We really need to just stop and think just for a second why we really, really celebrate Christmas. So from the bottom of my heart and from everybody at the Stamps of Life, I want to wish you a Merry, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you're able to spend time with your friends and your family and just take a little moment, to remember why we really celebrate Christmas, okay? Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.